Let's start the second introduction part. I'm your maths teacher, Sir Birbal Kumar. Let's see the median when the data isn't given in discrete series. Okay, for discrete series observations. Example 4. Example 1, 2, 3 we have done in the part 1 introduction chapters of median. Let's do the example number 4. Calculate the median of the following distribution. This is the marks. This is the marks of a student. This is the marks of a student. This is the number of students. 10 students. 10 marks are scored by 2 students. 20 marks scored by 8 students. 30 marks scored by 16 students. 40 marks scored by 26 students. This is 50, 20, 60, 16. 77 students, 84 students. So what we have to do, we have to arrange this data in ascending order. As you can see, this is already in ascending order. If it was not arranged in ascending order, we should have arranged in ascending order. Okay, so it is already in ascending order. So even though we have to write over here, arranging the data in ascending order, that is marked 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, that is number of students. It is a frequency 2, 8, 16, 26, 20, 16, 7, 4. We have to total this frequency. If we total this frequency, we'll get sigma f, or we can indicate it by n is equal to 99. The total of number of students is 99. Okay, so in discrete series, what you have to do, we have to add the frequency by writing over here cumulative frequency CF. Okay, in shortcut we can write CF. In median, what we have to do in median, if the marks is given, if the frequency is given, you have to find out the cumulative frequency. How we can find out the cumulative frequencies? What you have to do, these two frequency you have to write over here. Then with this two, what you have to add, the second frequency 2 plus 8, that is 2 plus 8, that is 10. With that again 8, you have to add this 10 plus 16, it will be 10 plus 16, 26. Then 16, 26 plus 26 with the fourth series, 26 plus 26 is 52. Again with 52 you have to add this value 52 plus 20, 52 plus 20, 72. With again 72 plus 16, 72 plus 16, 88. Again 88 plus 7, 88 plus 7, 95. Then 95 plus 4, it will be 99, that is n. So by applying formula, therefore median is equal to size of n plus 1 divided by 2 th item. Okay, then size of n we have already total over here, that is n from the frequency, n 99 plus 1 th item. Size of 100, now it will be 99 plus 100 by 2 items. Size of 50 item, that is 40. Okay, our answer is 40. How we got the answer is 40? Let's see. Size of 50 items, right? We have to see this 50 in the cumulative frequency from here. Understood? Cumulative frequency. Let's see. But this 50 should not be less, okay, less than the cumulative frequency. Let's see, it is less. 2 is very much less than 50, 10 is also very much less, 26 also less, 52. It means the 50 item will come over here. If 50 items comes over here, you make the box. Okay, you make the first 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth. You just make this one box. Okay, then after this, because 50 lies over here, so So corresponding, you see the marks, that is slice over here, marks 40. It means our median is 40. The middle value is our 40. So by applying the formula, we can say that therefore median is equal to 40. Okay, I think you have understood. Next, if we do the series in continuous series, let's see. This is the next example. I think this is our example number example number 5. Okay, this is our example number 5. We'll do from the continuous series. For continuous series, it means it is our question should be in the interval. Okay, age in years, number of person, that is frequency. This is our class interval, this is our number of person. Age 55 to 60, age between 7% is there, 50 to 55 between age 13% is there, 45 to 50, 45 to 40 to 45 20, 35 35 to 40 30, 30 to 35 33, 25 to 30 28, 20 to 25 14. You see that the observation is in jumble way, right? It is not arranged, right? So what we have to do, we have to arrange this data. How we can arrange this data? See here, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. So we have to do that. The arranging data is in downside, so we have to move to the top, right? So we have to arrange. What do we have to write here? Arranging the observation in ascending order. That is, we have to write age in years, then 20 to 25 age. Is 20 to 25 is what is the frequency, number of person 14. So we have to write number of person f, that is 14. Then again there is 20 to 30, there is 28. It means that we have from downside we have to move at the top, right? So 20 to 25 to 30 is 28, 30 to 35 33, that is 30 to 35 33. I think you have understood now. 35 to 40 30, 40 to 45 40 to 45 20, 45 to 50 15, 50 to 55 age is 13, 55 to 60 age group person is 7. Okay, after writing this, after arranging this question, what you have to find out? Cumulative frequency, as I discussed earlier also. Cumulative frequency, what 14 you have to write here, 14. Then what you have to do, from this 14 you have to add the second frequency, 14 plus 28, 14 plus 28, that is 42. Again 42 plus 33, 42 plus 33 is 75. Again 75, 75 plus 30, 75 plus 30 we got 105. 105 plus 20, 105 plus 20 will get 125. 125 plus 15, 125 plus 15 will get 140. 140 plus 13 will get 140, 153. 153 plus 7 will get 160. Okay. This is our class interval. See, this is our class interval or not? So in class interval, which formula we can use? See here, since n by 2, always remember that in class interval we have to use this formula, n by 2. So what is our n? We have calculated 160. 160 will write over as 160 divided by 2 is equal to 160 divided by 2. If I divide 160 by 2 will get 80. Okay, 80 which lies between the median class 35 to 40, where 80 will lie. See 80 we have to see the cumulative frequency, but we should not take less than 80. Okay, see here, 42 is less than 80, 75 is also less than 80, so 105. It means that 80 will come over here, somewhere over here. So you make this one box. Okay, you make this one box. After making this box, the preceding median class, after doing this box, the preceding median class, you have to do CF. This is our 75 equal to CF. CF is our cumulative frequency. Okay, then the this one will be our frequency. 30 is equal to F. F is frequency. Okay, F is frequency. So this is our class interval. It means that the 80 observations which lies between the median class is 35 to 40. So I have written here 35 to 40. So n by 2 is our 80 and 35 is our lower limit. Okay, this is called the lower limit, this is called the upper limit, this is our lower limit. Okay, and what is the size, what is the difference? You see, the 5 is the difference, that is called the class size. Okay, now we will use the formula, or we will first of all we will write the value, that is the lower limit L is equal to 35, class size H is 5, the difference between the class interval, that is cumulative, then cumulative frequency of the preceding median class CF is equal to 75 and frequency of the median class F is 30. By applying formula, therefore median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. This is our formula for the median. Okay, is equal to L is our 35 plus n by 2 is our 80 minus CF is our 75 divided by F. F is our 30, H into H is our 5. 30 plus then 80 minus 75 is our 5 divided by 30 into 5. So we can cancel this 30 and 5, 5 6 are 30. So we got 5 by 6, 5 by 6. Okay, now we have to divide 5 with 6. So you see, if we divide, what I will get, first 6 and 5 we cannot divide. Let's see, I will divide here also, that is 5 by 6. So we cannot divide 5 with 6, so we have to give here decimal. Okay, decimal, then have to give here 0, then 6 8s are 48, 6 8s are 48, 48 if you minus you will get 2, then again 0, 6 3s are 18, again you will get 2, 0, 6 3s are 18. It will keep on going. Okay, 8.33, so 0.833. Okay, so 0.833 I have written over here. Then if we add this value, we add in this way, right? Decimal zeros 0, then decimal 833. Okay, the answer will be 35.833. so we have got 35.83 years. This is our answer. I think you have understood. Thank you.